Well, good morning. So this is the first morning from Gran Bosco, and I've met up with a friend, one of my very good friends, Dave, who's in the white outfit and the KTM 790 at the front, and we've also got Alex in front of me now. He's a German guy, somebody that Dave's met on his holiday, so got a couple of trips to do today, a couple of tracks, sorry, some things I've not done before, so that's always good, which Alex has found. So we'll see what the three Amigos get up to. Weather's perfect, 21-22 degrees. But then again, it's only early, so all it's going to change rapidly, I would think. So I'm really looking forward to today. There's plenty of trails to do around this area. Ah, there we go. So I have two navigation setups here, and the reason being is I follow the one on the XT at the top, the Garmin. That's the one I follow closely to sort of read the trail as well, or the track. And the bottom on the phone I have Osmond app, and I just zoom out a little bit from that, and then if I can see anything that's of any interest, then it gives me a heads up, and maybe I can stop, have a look, see what there is. Changing a few settings there. There we go, let's time them now. Oh! Oh! Let's just go back a minute, get some grip. Wondering where the hell I am, won't they? So Alex got this trail today, or three trails of today, off one of these sort of apps, like a bit like old trails and stuff like that. That's quite handy, isn't it? Ooh. I had to just change it to off-road and shit. Street.
Rally mode. Rally mode.
Rally mode, yeah. Off-road ABS.
What is? One right second.
No, it's alright, no worries.
And very slow.
No problem. We can we just swap, no problem. Well, certainly takes it out, yeah. Well, it does with me. Here's Alex on his 250L. Double jumper between the two of us. Oh, he's gone off cross country. That way. I don't really know this trail, but just looking on the map, it's looking like maybe just go to a high point. I don't know. Maybe a viewing point of some kind, because I'm pretty sure it's showing it going up here and then back down there. So basically we found a little cut through here, or Dave has. It's quite pretty. So again, this is another sort of shortcut we've found. we couldn't get on the a part of the trail we were doing because the road was blocked and shut.